Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to place an order on Aliexpress without paying. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is to hop into Aliexpress. Now once you are here, click on any product you want. Now let's say that I want to buy this product and I will choose anything randomly. Now click on Buy Now. Select a payment method. Then click Add a new card. Now in here, you can basically just put anything that is in your mind. Or you can choose to copy these numbers. So those are just basically numbers that I have in mind. Now click Save and Confirm. So we have that payment method, and of course you have to add a new address, and after you've done that, click on Pay Now. So this will pop up. It will say that the payment failed and there has been some errors. But if we would go to our My Orders, what will happen is that it will take you to a waiting payment and you can wait for a discount, which then you will pay. And that's it.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.